Yeah, I don't have any notes with me. It's me and you.
Wonderful. That's what I want.
Yes, great. So, uh, how much do you know about biology?
Biology. Yeah, I just know that biology is the study of um, human being, like living beings. That's all.
The concept is correct, yes,
Uh, good.
but nothing more.
I mean, it's a broad topic. Okay, I know about it. We had a subject in school, and I also I studied biology a lot because I'm into like this medicine field. So for medicine, you have to know a lot about biology, and I know about anatomy as well. So yeah, these are like parts of biology. Yeah.
Yes, correct. So, biology, as the word says, we have bio, which is living, something that has life, and logy, study.
Study. Okay.
So, the study of living or life. So, biology is the study, or what do biologists do? They study the living organisms, all living organisms, including us, including other animals, including microorganisms, bacteria, because they're all also cells, living organisms.
Okay.
Yes, so we have a lot of disciplines in biology. Biology is just the general term. We have a study of well, the ecology, the structure of the living things, the function, how they live in the environment, what they contribute to the environment, what other benefits, pros and cons they apport to other animals. Yeah, we have genetic study, cell structure, molecular biology. We have zoology,
Wow.
and we have botany,
Yeah.
of course, as well. And we have all the medical part, anatomy, and so on.
Physiology. Yeah.
Physiology, yes, we have
Yeah. Yeah.
big variety of things that are listed in biology.
Mm-hmm.
So, one interesting term, uh, not all know about biology. Well, now I'm going to like give an example about uh, like the interactions with animals between them and with themselves in a ecosystem. So ecosystem is the environment the animals live in. Ecosystem like a marine ecosystem, corals, the terrain, the sea temperature in this area. This is the ecosystem and the animals that live there. For for example, like if you have a shark or a turtle, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
have you maybe seen a turtle that has like some fish swimming around it, on top or beneath it?
I've never seen like turtle like swimming.
No, like maybe on the video.
Yeah, yeah, I've seen on videos. Yes.
So maybe if most of the times they have like little fish beneath them, always with them swimming.
Yeah.
So what you have here is a turtle swimming, doing his things, yeah, and then the fish on top. What do they do? Why are they swimming with him? So they're on his um like a turtle, but they have like a skull structure.
Yeah. Scholar.
Yeah, the hard
Yes.
hard part. So they could this little fish clean or eat off the algs that are on top, the plants that grow on the skull
Mm-hmm.
of the turtle. So you have like uh ecosystem relation. Yeah, so these fishes are eating some algae, and the turtle keeps a clean skull. So you have like a
Okay.
both, yeah, function um terms, yeah. And another term that we have in everywhere is natural selection. You know about natural selection?
Natural selection. No, I don't know about it.
No, natural selection is the core mechanism where animals better adapted to the environment survive.
Come again? Yeah, can you
So,
example?
yeah. So, for example, if you have um, a prey bird that is flying over the forest or over some terrain that is colored gray, yes,
Mm-hmm.
that has like a dark color,
Okay.
yeah, and it's flying on top too to find some mice, like a mouse, mites. So depending on if the mice is dark or bright color, it will do the natural selection. So the mice with the bright color will be very visible on the dark terrain.
Mm,
And so this type of mice will be eaten by the bird first, then the dark one.
yeah.
And so by by some time there will be no mice left with this bright color because they have all been eaten by this bird. And the one that survives or is not eaten or its species is not in extinction is the dark one. So the dark one is more adapted to the environment in this case. So the dark one, so the natural selection, like was in favor of this dark color animal
Mm,
because the bird doesn't see it.
I see. Okay, okay. Good.
Or you have like with other examples with moths, like insects that are white and dark, and you have uh, a a tree that is white. So if they sit on it, you see the dark one because you don't see the white one because it's white with but after a lot of years, the pollution makes the tree dark. So now the adaptive game changes. The white one is more visible than the dark one. And so now the dark one survives more. Well, or survives in general. So because they're better adapted.
I see.
That is the eternal natural selection, where the better adapted one uh, survives. So that is one interesting term that I like about, well, that is everywhere. If you see the animal, not only um, animals, it can be plants as well. The ones that has spikes is the one that survives because it can be eaten.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, we have for biology other examples. Like natural selection is one term by the study of uh, the relations or the adaptive story of animals in their environment. We have then microorganisms, we have bacteria, we have viruses,
Yeah.
and we have well, another example. We have what do biologists do? Maybe if we want to grow a tissue of cell, yeah. Mhm. Now you had this example. They use biotechnology as well for this to cultivate bacteria or cells. Yeah, for example, you can cultivate bacteria in a petri plate, I think, You know Petri plate?
I don't know Patrick like.
It's like this round uh, crystal containers where bacteria grows.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you have uh, biologists can grow bacteria for scientific research. Yeah, you have different types of cultivations, bacteria cultivations. You have selective cultivations. You have differential cultivations. This is one part. Then you have uh, the cycles of viruses, how they work, how they affect bacteria. So you see all the relations with between organisms, or as well, a term that I also like is symbiotic. I think it's called in English. Symbiotic is when animals or plants, in this case, shared when they live together, one benefits the other one and the other way as well. So when we say uh, these apple trees live in symbiotic with uh, mushrooms, so that means by a apple tree beneath will grow a mushroom, and in symbiotic means that the mushroom absorbs its minerals from the soil and then benefits the apple tree by giving the minerals to him, and then like the apple tree has water reserves that the mushroom needs, so the apple tree gives um, this water reserve to the mushroom. So that's the term of living in symbiotic with someone,
Symbiotic.
general applied to plants.